Hey guys, today we're gonna talk about what's the difference between Coinbase and Coinbase Wallet. So if you're confused about Coinbase and Coinbase Wallet, while both help you manage crypto, they serve a very different purposes. Here's what you need to know. First, let's talk about Coinbase, which is the crypto exchange. In Coinbase, you can buy, sell and trade Bitcoin, Ethereum and more. It is also a custodial platform, which means Coinbase holds your funds for you. It's also beginner friendly with easy to use features and rewards. Now let's talk about Coinbase wallets, in which you can have full control of your crypto. First of all, it has self-custody wallet, in which you can control your private keys and funds. Number 2, you can store crypto, NFTs and interact with dApps. Number 3, you have more security and flexibility, but you have to keep that in mind, it's a bit more complex to use. So the key difference between both of them is that Coinbase is best for beginners who want an easy to use platform. On the other hand, Coinbase Wallet is ideal for users who want full control and decentralized access. So which one do you use and why? Tell us in the comment section below and subscribe for more crypto tips and comparisons.